a beautiful Saturday morning. My day has already started. I woke up about past 6 a.m. I had to call my parents, and that jump started my day. Of course, I prayed. It's been a wonderful, wonderful day so far. So far, I went to church to clean. These are usually my routines on Saturday mornings. Guys, yes, let me tell you something. So remember my Nigerian vlog? If you've not seen it, I'll leave in the card and in the description box where I told you about me retouching my hair and all that good stuff. Yes, I did, but I don't know if it was actually the wisest thing for me to have done, because my hair right now seems to like it's breaking, because I had not retouched my hair for over 8 years and I did it for the first time. So it's like it's breaking. I'm not happy the way my health of my hair is right now. And I braided my hair from Nigeria when I came. I think the way the person like picked my hair really affected it. Like all of this place is all gone. At this point, I'm considering cutting my hair off, but I don't like the way my hair looks. So I've been hunting for a natural hair salon. So I found one off of Google. I wanted a black owned that, you know, caters for black hair, 4C, type 4C, 4B, and all that good stuff. So I found one based off of the review on Google, and I called them. They said she's very polite. My first impression about her is, wow, she's really, really polite. I'll have an appointment for 2 p.m. She gave me a consultation form to fill, which I did. She wanted to get a backstory about my hair and the health of my hair and all that good stuff, which I already told her. So I'm really looking forward to going today. Let me see. I just need to get something done about my hair. I'm tired at this point. And yeah, that's all I'm doing today. First time going to a proper salon in America. Like, you know, all that bouginess, that thing that people go to the salon looking all cute, looking all... This is my experience. So I'll give you the review and tell you what it feels like. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you at the salon, okay?
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own, 'cause I hope you pick it up soon.
So you go to the salon to get the hair relaxed, or you like it at home? No, I went to salon.
Yes.
Yeah. That was back in Nigeria, because I was stayed home.
Okay.
So that's when I had it relaxed.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So hey guys, hope you have been enjoying the video so far. I really enjoyed it, and it was, like I said, it was a good experience. So when she was done washing my hair and doing all that good stuff to my hair, she went ahead and used a hot comb to stretch out the growth, because I already had new growths. She went ahead and stretched it out before she flat ironed the hair. So in the course of doing all of these things, we had very good conversation. She asked me when I retouched my hair and where I did it and how was the procedure. She could tell from the jump that when the people relaxed my hair, they relaxed it from the roots to the tip. Because she said when you're relaxing virgin hair, you don't relax from the root to the tip, because if you do that, it could get burned. You know how the relaxer, could burn your hair. You're supposed to relax from the tip to the roots. And like, yeah, that's really true, because my hair got burnt at the time when I relaxed my hair. She said there's a technique to it. That's what differentiates people who actually went to study the act of hair care and all that in school and know the chemistry behind it, as against people who just own salons and try to do things from their own knowledge. There's a big difference. So now I see why people get very emotional about their hair care, because it's like a part of them. So I know better now what to do going forward. So she went ahead and took her time to stretch out my hair, and she also advised that if you are natural and you don't want like the chemical damage to your hair, right? What you should do, you should go in between. So because texture, relaxing your hair is like going from 0 to 100 at you know, in a split second. So you're supposed to do a silk press. Silk press is like being in the middle. You're not applying chemicals, there's no harsh treatment on your hair, but you're applying heat, which is easy to reverse than going straight to a chemical. There's a way she explained it that made actual sense to me, because remember, 1 minute your hair is completely natural and the next minute is all stretched. It's like you're giving your hair too much work, you know, to handle. So it's best for you to actually silk press your hair if you want to do that. If you don't want to go strictly natural, you want to have the feel of having a stretched hair and looking, you know, good. So well, that's what she said. So we just went ahead and she called it. I told her to leave the call. I didn't want it straight because I want the calls to last for a few days. I want to take it to church because I'm traveling the very next week. I went to have the calls there so I could still rock it. So this is the hair. I really like how she did. I was so excited. You know, walking into the salon, I looked like someone who was beaten, because I was like, you know what, at this point I was gonna cut my hair, because I haven't told her. I asked her if she does cuts, you know, cut and all that. She said yes, because my intention was at this point maybe I should just cut my hair. But after she finished with my hair, I did love the outcome. This is how it looked, you know, the layers and all of that. So this is the back in slow-mo. See how it is. I recommend her to anyone. Her customer service is 100. The only thing is that it's a little bit expensive, you know, to silk press your hair and get a good treatment. So after which I went to the bathroom just to, you know, get a feel of how my hair looks like, and I'll just start feeling myself. But the bathroom was so clean, it was so beautiful. Oh my god, I said the experience here from start to finish, I'm so going to come here again. I will definitely come here. So giving a tour of what the bathroom looks like. They even had wipes, you know, different wipes for ladies who come in for free. You know, you can use to clean your face and do what you want to do. They had this very lovely canvas print that says never miss a chance to sparkle, of course. Yeah, and they also had like women's stuff, sanitary towels and tampons and stuff, and they were all free to use. The detailing in the salon, you know, just beats me. I was done at this point, going home, and I'll finish up when I get to my car. I'll talk to you guys at the outro. So hey guys, I don't know if you can see me. I just finished with my hair. I love the experience. My hair feels good. Like, I already feel like a human being at this point. I really love my hair. Her name is Dawn Austin. She's in Arlington. No, Grand Prairie. So it's at the Lux Spa. Yeah, Lux Spa. I mean, like, check her out on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram handle. She is super nice. Like, the reviews I got online is exactly the service she gave me. The place was super clean. The bathroom was super clean. I'm sure you guys saw it in the video. Like, I'm definitely coming back here. The only thing is, if you need to get your hair treated and get your hair pampered, then you can come here, because it's a little priced. It's a little priced. I mean, yeah. But would I come here again? Yes, I will come here over and over again. I love her vibe. I love her spirit. I love how she takes care of your hair. It's beautiful. Like, having a salon that caters to black hair, for type 4A, 4B, and 4C hair and all the good stuff. It's beyond beautiful. You know, she knows what she's doing and stuff. So, like, look at my edges, they're all gone. The braids I did back from Nigeria, like, messed up my hair. And what else? Yeah, she recommended like a cream or something for my edges. So I'm going to Ulta Beauty right now to go grab that particular stuff she asked me to get. So guys, I'll talk to you later, and thank you for watching this vlog. If you want to see more hair videos, let me know and I'll sure to do that for you. So today was a silk press. I'm loving it. I told her to pin it down because I wanted the call to stay by tomorrow, so I can have the calls on by tomorrow and rock it to church and look all glam. All right guys, so I'll talk to you guys later, and thank you for watching this video. Until my next time, remember to make it a great week. Bye guys.